Ukwuani nwere dialect. Ukwuani is a language. Then Ukwuani nwere dialect. Dike onye agbo baso. Ya for Ukwuani dialect. That is Ukwuani dialect. Onye osisa baso. That is another part of Ukwuani dialect. Onye otagba baso. Ya for another part of Ukwuani dialect. Onye oka amai baso. Ya for part of Ukwuani dialect. So Ukwuani nwere dialect, but the main language is Ukwuani. Just like Yoruba. Yoruba is a language, but nwere dialect. Onye Jebu baso odibe, onye Kale baso odibe, onye Ekiti baso odibe, but ufu Yoruba no. Just like Elena anya na so Ukwuani.
Ka bụ ndụmọdụ dị nwere were ihe ndị no nwere believe say suwa bụ ndị Igbo, suwa shi na Igbo puse. Ka bụ ndụmọdụ nwere were ihe ka mandere.
Ukwuani anyị bụ Ukwuani anyị abụ Igbo. Na agwọ ọsọ Ukwuani sị anyị bụ Ukwuani anyị abụ Igbo. Ka anyị nwee ife ọsụsọ na ebe asụsụ anyị dị. Ka anyị bụ ezuru, anyị bụ adụwa n'okpuru asụsụ ndị Igbo. Ka anyị nụ maka ni ifisi anyị bụ Ukwuani, ya bụ ife zo na anyị n'oge agha ndị Nigeria na Biafra. Ndị na-achọ Ukwuani n'oge kegwafụ ndị Nigeria sị anyị abụ Igbo. Ya chọrọ sa agha n'ubu nini oru na Ukwuani, oru na ndọkwa wegharị na anyị na-achụje ndị Igbo, na-achụje ndị Asaba. Bet Ukwuani wee ru na maka n'ike ya enyi turu n'ise anyị abụ Igbo. Na ozizere nụ nanụ nji n'ibite ebe aghara anụtụrụ nke ọsụtụ na Igbo. Ọsị ike ya enyi ka ndị ọkwa wee nụ anụtụrụ nke asụ Igbo. Anụtụrụ nke ọpụsa n'ọnụ wee sị nwa m Igbo onye Igbo. Ifo agwa Igbo sị Igbo onye Ukwuani.
You all have heard what that Ukwuani elder said. Now let me correct all those misinformations that he said to the public. The man said that Ukwuani is a separate language and that Ukwuani have many dialects. Now, what is a language and what is a dialect? A language is the means of communication in a nation. Now, what is a dialect? A dialect is a region in that nation. Just like he said that Ukwuani have a language, the way that Osisa people in Ukwuani land speak is different from the way Ogume people speak. What Ukwuani people call the supreme being, which we call as Chuku, what Osisa people call Chuku is Tuku. T-S-U-K-W. Tuku. Kaze kene Tuku. Some Ukwuani people say Achonam. Osisa people say Achonam. Like, they always use that TSU in almost all their words. If they want to say Nzuzu, they say Nzuzu. That is their own dialect. In Ogume we say Achonam Isukenu. Isukenu Adenason. Osisa people will say Achonam Nkofu. Itukenu Achon. Another Ukwuani person that does not understand that we are saying the same thing. We tell you Osisa people are not Ukwuani people. They don't speak like us. If Osisa is a dialect in Ukwuani, but the way they speak is slightly different from other Ukwuani people, how come is Ukwuani not the same with other Igbo speaking dialects? The same man said that Yoruba is a language and that Yoruba have many dialects. If you go to Yoruba land today, they have many dialects. When Ijabu people speak, there are so many Yoruba people that will not understand. They will just be like, what is this person they talk? If you go to all those Ikale in Yoruba, all those Ekiti states, there are Yoruba dialects there that other Yoruba people don't understand. They don't even know how to start communicating. But when Ukwuani man speak, someone from the southeast understand without difficulty. And he's here telling you that Ukwuani is not a dialect of Igbo language, that Ukwuani is a separate language. He is here dividing the Igbo race and uniting the Yoruba race. He don't know what they talk. He said that Yoruba is a language and that they have many dialects. Now, who are Yoruba people? Yoruba people are the entire Yoruba speaking people in the southwest, Yoruba speaking people in Delta states, known as the Ishekiri people. Ishekiri people are Yoruba people. They identify as Ishekiri, but they are Yoruba. In Kogi State, they have Yoruba speaking people there, also known as the Okun people and some other Yoruba speaking people. They identify as Yoruba. And this man is here uniting them, saying that all of them are Yoruba, but he is here dividing the Bia speaking people, telling you that Ukwuani people are not Igbo people, that Ukwuani people are separate. He forgot that Ukwuani people, every Igbo speaking people, no matter their dialects, are Igbo people. You they unite outside and they divide your own. This elder is not enlightened. The same way Yoruba language have Ijebu, Ikale, other Yoruba dialect is the same way Igbo language have Ukwuani, Ika, Enuani, Ikwere, Oba, Ekpe, Yenri, Nsuka, Afikpo, Olo, and so on. Ukwuani is a region of Igbo land. Ukwuani have the way they speak their own Igbo language. Ukwuani language is Igbo language. Every region have the way they speak, and every region have dialects. In Uri Kingdom, they have different dialects there. In Igbo region, they have different dialects there. The whole communities there don't speak the same Uri dialect. In Ukwuani, we have different Ukwuani dialect. The way Ogume speak is different from the way Onichukwuani speak. It's different from the way Kwale speak. We dey boundary, but we know they speak exactly the same thing. In Enuani, they have different dialects. They understand each other, but the way they speak is not the same. Look at Ibuzo, look at Ogwashuku. The way Ibuzo speak is different from the way Ogwashuku speak. Ibuzo will say, Potanebo, which means come out from there. Ogwash will say, Pohabo, Siebo, Pohama. They say Poha, which is come out. Ibuzo will say, Pota. Some men in the community say, Achohom, I don't want. Some will say, Achonap, I don't want. These are dialects. In Ukwuani, we call the supreme being Chuku. We call water Mili. We call land Ane. We use the 4 market days. We do Ikenga festival. Name it. Also in the southeast, they do the same thing, the same word. Chuku, Mili, Ala, Ane. Different Igbo dialects. We are all saying the same thing. How come this man is saying that we are not the same people? You don't know what they talk. Ukwuani people are classified as Igbo speaking people. In Nigeria now, if they say Igbo speaking people come out, Ukwuani will come out, Urobo will never come out, Yoruba will never come out, Isoko will never come out, Bini will never come out, Ijo will never come out, Calabar will never come out. When you hear Igbo speaking people come out, Ikwere will come out, Enuani will come out, Ukwuani will come out, Oba Ekpeya will come out, Uri will come out. Every Bia speaking people will come out. If they come out, he's telling you that all these people are Igbo people. All of them are Igbos. Ndi Igbo kuebo. Onsawebu nde Igbo. If they say Yoruba speaking people come out, all the people that speak Yoruba will come out. Both Shekri, they will come out. In Nigeria, Ukwuani belongs to Bia speaking people. They are expected to identify with the Igbo race because Ukwuani people are Igbo people. Ukwuani is not a separate identity. Ukwuani is not a separate entity from the Igbo race. Ukwuani is not separate at all. No angle at all. Ukwuani is not separate from the entire Igbo race. When you hear Igbo language, Ukwuani is Igbo language, Enuani is Igbo language, Ikwere is Igbo language, Oba is Igbo language. There's no special way of speaking Igbo language. When a man from Ebonyi State is speaking his Igbo dialect, he is speaking 100% Igbo language. When an Ukwuani man is speaking Ukwuani, he is speaking 100% Igbo language. When a man from Eka is speaking Eka, he is speaking 100% Igbo language. Ikwere man is speaking 100% Igbo language. There is no special way of speaking Igbo language. So there's nothing like Ukwuani is a separate entity. No, Ukwuani is 100% Igbo language. And when we say dialect, Ukwuani is an Igbo dialect. Anyone is an Igbo dialect. Ikwere is an Igbo dialect. Every Igbo speaking region is an Igbo dialect. It's Igbo language, is Igbo dialect. Some people will tell you, Igbo language is Igbo Izwe. Other Igbo language is Igbo dialect. No, that is misinformation. Igbo Izwe is just like every other Igbo dialect. He said that Ukwuani is not Igbo and that we Ukwuani should stop identifying under Igbo, that we should stop putting ourselves under Igbo. This man does not know what he is saying. Ukwuani is not under Igbo. Ukwuani is Igbo. In Igbo land, no one is under each other. All of us are Igbo people. Every Igbo region can teach their dialects to their people. You can write Ukwuani textbook. You can write Enuani textbook. You can write Ika textbook. Ika people are expected to be teaching Ika people with Ika dialect. Ukwani people are expected to be teaching Ukwani people with Ukwani dialect. It's all Igbo language. Igbo Zube is a central dialect carved out for the entire Igbo speaking people to easily hear and understand each other. Once you hear them, you don't hear what they talk. That is Igbo Zube. It's a unifying factor. Igbo Zube does not stop Ukwani people from teaching Ukwani dialect in school. It does not stop Ika people from teaching Ika dialect in school. It does not stop Ikwere people from teaching Ikwere dialect in school. So stop saying that Igbo people are trying to take over your language. They are trying to teach their language on you and take over your language. No, we should stop all those things. He said that what saved Ukwani people during the Biafra was that Ukwani people were saying that they are not Igbo people. And that was why the Nigerian army did not kill them. There was a massacre in Ukwani land during the Biafra war. Nigerian soldiers massacred people in Otabono community. It's called Otabono massacre. The same way they massacred people in Asaba and this Shagu community was the same way they massacred people in Otabono community. They brought out so many men, they killed all of them. So saying that the reason why Ukwani people were not killed in the Biafra war is because they said that they are not Igbo. It's a lie. Ukwani people were killed. Ukwani people started to deny being Igbo during that Biafra war. When Nigeria army came, so many of them started saying that we are not Igbo, so we are not Igbo people. We are just Ukwani. We are not Igbo. We are separate people from them. We are not one people. Out of here, they begin to deny, say they not be Igbo people to escape the war. So after the war, they kept telling their children to keep telling the world that they are not Igbo, that they are separate people from Igbo people. Like they started distancing themselves and their children from anything Igbo. They started saying that we don't have the same ancestry with them. We are not connected with them. Nothing in common is holding we and them. They started saying that we are separate people entirely. They started embracing Bini origin. Started rewriting our history. Started claiming that we are from Bini. Started claiming that we are from this one. Started saying that we are from this one. That we have no connection with the Igbo race. Why? They are saying all those things just for the world to see Ukwani as a separate identity. To see Ukwani as a separate people. That is the reason why there is identity crisis all over Ukwani land. You will see an Ukwani community that migrated from the southeast will be telling you that they are not Igbo people. Abe community in Ukwani migrated from Achala in Anambra State. Today, so many people that are saying that they are not Igbo people. Because of why? People like these elders have been telling them that they are not Igbo people. Umukata community in Ukwani, they migrated from the southeast, from that same Achala. Go to Umukata, call them Igbo, they will tell that they are not Igbo people. Because of why? This kind of elders. You migrated from the southeast, Igbo speaking area, you are still speaking that Igbo language till date, and you are saying that you are not an Igbo person. Misinformation, propaganda, lies. The one just confirmed me that the Biafra war made them to start denying their Igbo identity. And it's true. Professor Opone from Ukwani, he's an Ukwani professor in Ambraka University. He's the head lecturer in history department. He said that Ukwani people are Igbo people. He wrote Ukwani history, everything about Ukwani, he documented it and said that Ukwani people are Igbo, not Bini. All those Bini fairy tales are all lies because our ancestors don't bear Bini names. So how come our Ukwani people, Bini people? How can you be speaking the same language and dialect with people and you say you are not one with them? Language is a unifying factor. Every Igbo speaking community is an Igbo community. It's Igbo land, they are Igbo people. He said that his fathers never told him that Ukwani people are Igbo. Before the name of every Igbo speaking community came into existence, what our ancestors called themselves is Ndebo, Ndibo. If you ask every Igbo speaking community what do they call their ancestors, they will tell you Na Ndibo, Nara Ndebo. So what we call our ancestors is the name of our tribe. The name of your community, the name of your region is what unites you as a group, is what unites you as a family, is what unites you as a region. So saying that we are just known as Ukwani people, we are not Igbo people, you are deceiving yourself because your ancestors identify as Igbo people. Ndebo, our ancestors called their fathers Ndebo. Our Southeast brothers, their ancestors called their fathers Ndebo. Ndibo, they call themselves Ndibo. That is how we got the name Igbo. So when we say we are Igbo people, the entire Ukwani people, Ikwere people, all South Igbos are Igbo people. Let's stop deceiving ourselves. We will keep debunking this kind of elders because they are the ones causing this identity crisis that is going on in Ukwani land. If he's not Igbo, what is the name of his ancestor? What is the name of the man that founded his community? Come to Ukwuani, our ancestors don't bear Benin names. All our ancestors are bearing Igbo names. Chime, Abolaka, Odimegu, Ogwezi, all these names are Igbo names. Ukwuani is Igbo language. We are not a separate people from the southeast. Igbo Bofu, and we will never allow this kind of elders to divide us. We Igbos have to come together as a people. We have to come together as a unit. When we keep saying that we are not Igbos, we are making ourselves a minority. We are making ourselves an easy target for the enemy to strike. Unity is the only thing that will save the entire Igbo race. We all as the entire Igbo speaking people should unite as a people, should identify as Igbos to save ourselves and our region, to grow the entire Igbo race, Igbo Bofu. And we must never allow misinformation and propaganda to divide us. You share what?